video has been sponsored by King Maps, FiveGuard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install a advanced banking script from Groot development into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is a script which are going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. The script will cost you around $38. You just have to click over here and purchase the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we will receive these two files. We just have to install them into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be installing them over here. Just like this. Now open the banking folder, go to install, then open the inventory images folder. Then copy all these images from here. Now we have to paste them into our QB inventory. For that, open the QB inventory folder, HTML, images, and paste them over here. Just like this. Now open the items inventory folder. So for this tutorial video, I'll be installing the script for QB inventory. So I'll be opening the QB inventory file over here. Now copy these line of codes. Then paste into your items.lua. For that, go to QBCore, shared, items.lua. Now come to the very bottom line of the code. Then paste them over here. Just like this. Now open the SQL folder. Now we have to run the SQL of the script. For that, double click over here, open your head SQL, select your server, then click on run. Now open the src folder, go to shared, then config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. So this is a configuration for ownable bank. From this, player can purchase and own the bank. So for now, I'll be keeping it like this. This is a configuration for loan system, and this is a configuration for installment over here. This is a command for bank's admin panel. If the ownable bank feature is false, then only it will work. This is a configuration for banks, and these are the locations over here. And this is a configuration for ATM. This is a configuration for maximum accounts a player can open, and this is a configuration for maximum cards. You can configure them according to your preference. So that's all for the config part. So there are some more configurations over here. You can configure them according to your preference. Now let's open the config ownablebanks.lua. So this is ownable bank configuration over here. Now let's go to reward config.lua. So this is a reward system over here. These are the reward tiers over here. And these are the reward items. You can configure them according to your preference. Now before starting up the server, make sure to delete the default banking script from your resource. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now. Now let's get inside the bank. Now use your target eye over here. Then click on use bank. So this is the dashboard of the bank over here. So over here it is showing the balance of our account. And this will be the transaction graph over here. We get some quick actions over here. So let's withdraw $1,000. Now open the bank again. Now the graph has been updated over here, as you can see. Now let's deposit $100. So this is a section for quick transfer. Over here you just have to enter the player's IBAN number, then enter the amount. After that you can transfer the amount to that player's bank, and by clicking over here you can save a particular person's IBAN details. It will help to do the quick transfer by just clicking on the name. Over here, this is the IBAN number. To see the number, you just have to click over here. And this is our IBAN number over here, as you can see. By clicking over here, we can share the detail with the nearby player. So this is the option for transaction history, as you can see. From here, you can select the category for the transaction history. So this is the reward system for the bank over here. To collect the reward, you need to have a particular amount of point. So for this reward, we need just 10 points over here. And these are my total points showing over here. So now let's go to the account section. So this is my main personal account which is showing over here. And this is my jobs bank account which is showing over here. Now to create a new account, you just have to click over here. And over here you have to provide the account's name. So I'll be giving it a name of test account. Here we need to select the category for the account. Here we will get two options. First one is for personal account and second one is for shared account. So let's open a shared account. So here it is showing you need $5,000 as a cash to open the account. Let's create the account. And our account has been created over here. if you want to add someone in this shared account, you just have to go to this members list, then click on add member. It will show the list of all nearby players. You can select it from here, then click on add member. So if you want to delete the account, just click on delete account. Now here we need to give the account's name. Now here we need to type delete my account, then click on delete. So this is option for manage cards. So from this option, you can see all your bank's card. If you want to create a new card, just click over here. Here you need to type cards pin. Here you need to mention cards daily limit. And over here, you have to select an account. So let's create a new personal account. Then select your account over here. So for now, we can select only standard and basic card. So let's get the standard card. Click on create card. So a new card has been created over here, as you can see. So this is a section for our savings account. And from here, you can apply for loan. And the last option is for checks. So that is for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.